Hey, it's Naturally TC. I'm coming at you with a lock retwist video. Now, as you can see, this client has not had his locks maintenance in a long period of time. I think he told me it was like over a year. So I am using
since
my
he had his
own
locks
specialized twisting gel. I have not created it for retail just yet because I am mixing up like a couple of different formulas and I'm waiting to see which one works best for me and my clients. So I am using my special twisting gel, as I said, and I am going through and I'm making sure that I'm separating his locks. And what I do is twist one and twist the other and then do a 2-strand twist of them together. And I actually thought he wanted it styled like this because he wasn't going to get a style this particular day, but by the time I got him from under the dryer, he decided that he wanted a full-fledged style. So I ended up doing this and then untwisting it and doing like barrel, I don't know what you call them, like barrel, they're probably just called barrels. I'm doing some barrels on them and like flat twist it down. So that's what we're doing. Like I said, I do go through and sometimes trim up the little fuzzies, but I saw someone's video on YouTube that said don't trim the fuzzies, so I need to find that video and really look at it and see what she was talking about, but I didn't have time to look at it when I saw it, so I will go back and review it. So I just go and place the gel like right on the scalp throughout all the locks that I'm going to twist at one time. So therefore I don't have to go in and do each one at a time. I also, as you see, I use a comb. Not everybody uses a comb, but I do use a comb to make my partings look a little bit more clean and clear. And then I'm twisting it. I'm not really palm twisting this particular one. I don't know why, but maybe because that's what it took for me to twist down that one. I think he had a lot of loose hairs at the root, and so I just decided to twist those almost like a flat twist. I'm going to go ahead and let you guys just watch the rest of this video. I'm going to put some of that pre-recorded music in here. Hopefully it won't aggravate you too much. But if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. I'll do my best to answer them all. Also, follow me on Instagram, Naturally TC. I post a lot of my styles on there that I don't even really make videos for, but the styles are really nice. And also, if you would like to book with me, look me up on Style Seat. I'm right there. You can book your appointment. You can book a consultation. So maybe we could just talk about your hair and see what I have to offer you. So go ahead, check out the rest of the video, and I hope you enjoy. Just so you know, I sit my clients under a hooded dryer for no less than an hour because I like to make sure their locks get completely dry, because that is what's going to, set that hole and make sure their dreads are not frizzy like the next day. So they have to sit under a hooded dryer until their locks are dry. Some clients don't want to sit that long because some of them need to actually sit 2 hours because their locks are not going to dry in an hour. But, I leave that up to my client's discretion. You'll see that I give this particular client, I give him a tape up, and all I'm doing is taking my clippers. I use them once at 0. That means they're completely closed. Then I do halfway, and then I do all the way open for that nice little fade on the side. And then I am using my Andy's T-liners to edge him and give him that nice straight sleek edge. I actually like his hair like this, but he wanted a different style, so you'll see I'm going to take them down and restyle them for him. But they were really nice, especially going from how he came into this. I thought it was pretty amazing myself. So make sure you like and subscribe this video, share it with a friend. Also go and follow me on Instagram. That's at naturallytc. naturallytc on Instagram. You'll see more different styles on there. I also do weaves. I do relaxers. I really don't have that many relaxed clients, but I still have like 1 or 2 clients that are relaxed. But a lot of my naturals come in and they get their quick weaves, they get their sew-ins. I just started doing, what do you call those things with the glue? Lace fronts. Working on my lace front. My last one that I did was amazing. But I am still working on it, so it's not a real complete service that I offer in the salon. I'm just doing a couple of models. And that's a hint to all you new stylists. Don't be charging people top price for stuff that you haven't perfected yet. Sometimes you have to lower that price, even if you do it at an extreme discount, and you let the client know, listen, this is new to me and I have not perfected it yet, but I am willing to do it for you at this amount. And they'll pay you, and they know that you haven't perfected it yet. But if you're charging what everybody else is charging and your work is not comparable to theirs, that's just not fair to the client. So let's have integrity with our work and make sure that we are charging people fair prices based on your ability, not just what the market is saying. Because if you cannot produce the same outcome as stylists that have perfected it, I don't think it's fair for you to do that. So this is the second one. There was the barrel. I really wasn't all the way pleased with it because that is not what we plan to do. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed my video. Like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.